Today we're just going to be doing two simple exercises, bicep curls, and then we're going to do a couple exercises in just two different variations for triceps. The first thing you always need to remember, like we always say, make sure that it's okay with your doctor before starting a program like this and that you feel healthy. Stop if it ever hurts or you're just unsure. So first thing about bicep curls, again, weight is not important. So I'm going to show you with the weight that I work out with, and then I'll show you with some lighter weights. Again, it really doesn't matter what kind of weight you're pushing right now if you're just getting started. So for me, I'm usually about in the 35-pound range. Usually I like to get one foot out in front of the other. For a weight that's a little bit heavier, I'll go one arm at a time, and we'll just be slow and controlled. So we'll bring it up, a little twist at the end, down, other side, up, a little twist on the end, and down. From the side, we're not gonna be jerking our arms, we're not gonna be flinging weights around. Remember, it's just up, twist, back down. Other side, up, twist, back down. Up, twist, down. We're never moving our bodies, we're never flinging weights around. That's just bad for you, and it's all about ego lifting if you're doing that. So, what would I do different if I were just getting started? 3 pounds, maybe even lighter, same movement. You're just going to keep your arms kind of pinned towards your side, not bringing them out, not moving them back. Just kind of get it up there, twist, bring it back down. Up, twist, bring it back down. These weights are pretty light, no problem doing both at the same time. And what I would do is at this weight, if you can do it 10, 20 times, have at it. Because we're not about doing the least amount of reps with the highest amount of weight. We're about building endurance and just building a body you're proud of. So again, start with something light, work your way up. If you can do 10 or 20 reps with something like this, or especially close to like 20, you can go ahead and increase the weight. When we're talking about triceps, pretty similar, a couple of different exercises. You can take a heavier weight, bring it back over your back, get your arms pretty straight and just easy up and down. Don't try to go too far down. It's a little harder on your elbows. I usually stop at about 90 degrees perpendicular across the top of my head. All right, that's one variation. Now showing you with a lighter weight, you can do the exact same thing. We can take a weight in each hand, do the same thing, just coming up. We can take a lighter weight, just get your hands on both sides, and then same thing, doing it like this. Or we have another option where we can take, we'll kind of support ourselves, get this arm almost perpendicular to the ground, and then just take that weight and go back. There's no reason to come all the way up here, just hanging down is fine, back, no flinging it around. All right, so those are two easy exercises, biceps and triceps. We'll keep adding more as we go. Again, no less than 10. If you can get up towards 20, that's about the point where you can start increasing the weight, because we are not about building huge muscles. We're about building strong muscles with a lot of endurance. So don't buy into what all the meatheads tell you. As long as you're doing the work, you're going to make some gains and you're going to be better off. Thanks.